This is like my third time recording this. I keep pressing buttons on my... Oh. Yo. Yo. This is insane though. Look at this. Oh, that is cold. This one ain't as bad, but I can stick my whole foot in this, hopefully. Yo. This is actually disgusting. I have to clean my phone screen off. It's a good thing my phone is waterproof though. This is insane. I could see the inside of my house. I got a thing there. This is actually my kitchen I'm showing y'all. So yeah. If y'all want a tour of my house, I'll show y'all, but you have to give me a comment if y'all want a tour of my house. So yeah. Yeah, this stuff is cold. That's cold, yeah. I might go outside in the rain, I don't know. Just kidding, I am. Yo. It's not as bad as the other rainstorm. Like, we had a whole entire storm, and people thought there was going to be a tornado. Yeah, this one ain't as bad. I didn't record that one, sadly. But I made sure to get this one on camera. That's the grill. It's a whole dirty thing. But our patio's big, so we don't got a problem with that. It's just a grill, but there ain't gonna be no day for grilling no time soon. Wee! Oh yeah, by the way, my birthday is on the 22nd of this month. So yeah, that's coming up too. Pot. Oh yeah. I got that pot, boy. What time is it? I hope it's 4:20. I'ma stop. I'm gonna put all the memes to the side. I'm gonna put all the memes aside. But yo, this is crazy. That thunder is loud. Oh, yo! There's a whole puddle back here. Yo, there's a whole puddle back here. Yo. Woo! How far can I zoom in? That's close enough. Alright, well, yeah. If y'all want a tour of my entire house, tell me in the comment section and I might do a tour later.